Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to change prompts in DeepSeek for complex tasks. If you want DeepSeek to handle multiple step jobs like research, content writing, or coding, this chaining trick lets you make it think step by step just like a human assistant. Go to deepseek.ai or chatdeepseek.com, or you can just download the app and go to the app. It works perfectly both on desktop and iPhone. Type your main instruction clearly, like we're going to write a YouTube script about AI tools. I'll break it into steps, confirm when you're ready. And then send it. This tells DeepSeek you'll feed prompts in parts, not all at once. Now chain your tasks after one another. Step number one is to first you can give it something simple like generate 5 viral title ideas, and it will provide you with it. And then the next one, step number two, is the choose and give it something else like choose the best one and outline the script. And next one is write, and that's it. Each new prompt builds on the previous answer. That's the chain. If you need content to carry over, say keep all previous info in mind but only focus on tone now. This helps DeepSeek refine outputs without losing the thread. Step number 5 is to test different methods. Use fast mode for brainstorming and smart mode if available for final drafting. This speeds up your workflow and keeps accuracy high. Save your base chain, copy the whole sequence of the prompts and keep it into Notes or Notion. Next time you can reuse it for any one topic. Safety tip: don't chain confidential info or passwords. Each prompt is processed online, not stored privately. Repeat key const quick fix if DeepSeek forgets your earlier Quick fix if DeepSeek forgets your earlier steps. Repeat key context before your next instructions, like using the outline just users made. And then once now write a paragraph, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.